Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and build back up the very topical word vaccination. So here's the script from the dictionary. I think obviously the first thing to notice is we've got 4 syllables and we've also got a double stress. And it's also probably worth noticing that the way we write this word might cause some confusion with respect to how we actually say the word. We've got those 2 C's when we write it, but it's pronounced just as a K, for example. So let's break it down. Remember from previous videos, you may remember that the mark at the bottom shows us secondary stress, and the mark at the top in blue shows us primary, or the main stress. So what we're aiming for is vaccination. So vac is a bit stronger and nay is even stronger. Vaccination. You might find, you can't see this, but what I'm doing is raising my hand as I'm making these videos to kind of remind me to do the stressing well so that hopefully you can hear it. And as a student practicing word stress, you might also find it helpful to have your hand out in front of you and raise it and lower it as you're trying to make these stresses as a sort of physical reminder to yourself. I've also seen sometimes people will literally raise their head higher as they're practicing word stress. Do whatever works for you. I find that raising my hand is a nice reminder, and of course I know you can't see that, but I'm hoping that that translates well in terms of the audio being clear that there's a stress there. So you might want to do that. Raise your hand for the stressed words. So okay, let's break it down into the different syllables then. First off, we've got vac. So that's a short a, and importantly the k is not voiced. It's just a bit of air popping out of the mouth. Vac. Then a si, nice short si with the I, si. No voicing, otherwise it would be zi. Don't want that, it's a si. Stressed syllable, strong, nay. So that's a double vowel with the A and a nasal n, nay. And then that shun ending, which is a very common word ending in English on a whole group of nouns. So it's the sh, sh, and then shun. Depending on your own language background, you may well be from a language where you have this word ending, but you pronounce it quite differently. And you might want to say 2 vowels, for example, or you might want to say a s instead of a sh. If you have that pattern in your own speech and you know that you have the temptation to say these S-I-O-N words the way you're used to it rather than in a sort of more, let's say, generically English way, and if you want to work on that, check out the description below, because there's another video where you can focus specifically on shun word endings, so you might find that quite useful. But let's build this word back up together then. So repeat after me nice and slowly to start with. Vaccination. And nice and quickly, vaccination. There it is, vaccination. Great. So as I said, check out that video link below if you struggle with the S-I-O-N or T-I-O-N endings, the shun endings. And yeah, this is an important word right now, vaccination, very hot topic. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And check out the homepage, signal your friends to it, share it on your social media. Send people this way. The more the merrier. I like making these videos and I like it even more when people watch them. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a great day.